If you continue living like this for the next 30 days, your life will look exactly the same 1 year from now. Same distractions, same wasted hours, same unfinished goals. And the worst part is, you already know that. You know exactly what is destroying your focus every single day. The phone in your hand, the endless scrolling, the fake dopamine, the constant need for stimulation. You wake up telling yourself that today will be different, then suddenly it's midnight and another day of your life disappeared for absolutely nothing. That was me. I was tired of feeling mentally weak, tired of opening my phone every few minutes without even thinking, tired of feeling like my brain was controlled by short videos, notifications, and cheap entertainment. So one day I made a decision that honestly changed everything. 30 days. 30 days of discipline. And before I even started, I realized something important. If the distractions stay around you, you will lose. So I removed them completely. I took my phone and placed it far away from me. I even moved the charger to another place so charging the phone became annoying and difficult on purpose. I wanted focus to become easier than distraction, because most people depend on willpower alone, and willpower disappears quickly. Then I did something strange that actually helped me a lot. Every 25 minutes of studying or working, I allowed myself a very small reward. Maybe a few chips, a few small candies, just enough to tell my brain, there is a reward waiting for you if you finish the work. Because the brain naturally resists effort when it feels there's no reward attached to it. That small trick made discipline easier in the beginning. Instead of forcing my brain into suffering with nothing in return, I slowly trained it to connect focus with reward. And honestly, the first week still felt terrible. My mind kept fighting me every second. I wanted to unlock my phone constantly. I wanted stimulation. I wanted comfort. I wanted to escape the silence. That's when I realized something terrifying. Most people are not addicted to social media. They are addicted to escaping their own thoughts. The moment silence starts, they panic. So they scroll. They watch. They consume. Anything to avoid being alone with themselves. And I was exactly the same. One night during the challenge, I remember sitting alone in my room after turning my phone off completely. No music, no scrolling, no distractions. Just silence. And for the first time, in a long time, I realized how uncomfortable my own mind had become. I couldn't even sit quietly for 10 minutes without wanting stimulation. That moment changed me, because I understood that discipline is not just about waking up early or studying harder. Discipline is learning how to control your mind when your mind wants comfort. So I started building small habits every day. I trained even when I didn't feel motivated. I forced myself to focus for short periods instead of waiting for perfect motivation. I stopped sleeping with my phone beside me, and slowly, everything started changing. My focus became sharper. My energy improved. I stopped feeling mentally exhausted all the time. And the biggest change? Confidence. Real confidence. Not fake motivation from watching videos online. Real confidence comes from proving to yourself that you can suffer and still continue. By the second week, I noticed I could sit longer without needing stimulation. My brain became calmer. My thoughts became clearer. Even conversations with people felt different because I was finally present instead of mentally distracted all the time. Then something happened that made me realize how dangerous distraction really is. One of my friends laughed at the challenge and said discipline was too hard and unnecessary. But every single day, I watched him spend hours scrolling without even enjoying it anymore. That scared me, because most people don't even realize they're losing control of their lives slowly, not through one big mistake, but through thousands of tiny distractions repeated every day. That's why discipline changes everything. It changes the way you think, the way you work, the way you react to urges, the way you see yourself. And after 30 days, I genuinely felt different. Not perfect, not superhuman, but stronger, harder to distract, harder to break. And honestly, that feeling is worth every painful moment. So if you're watching this right now while wasting your potential every day, listen carefully. Your future is being built by your daily habits. Every scroll, every distraction, every excuse, or every focused hour, every difficult decision, every moment you choose discipline over comfort. And the scary truth is, 1 year from now, you will either thank yourself for starting today or hate yourself for waiting longer. The choice is yours.